men, and I use the term loosely. I had the unfortunate experience of traveling through DFW Airport a couple of 3 weeks ago, and across from gate A33 is a store called Kyle's, I believe is how it's pronounced. And to my horror, trapped in the store is a 1958 XL. This Kyle's store apparently sells, believe it or not, of all things, skincare products. You know, not motorcycling leather jackets or engines or parts thereof or motorcycles, skincare products. And they had horribly trapped on display this beautiful 1958 XL. Just a gorgeous bike. Apparently all original, as near as I could tell. But this thing is gorgeous. It looks to have all original accessories on it. I mean, it's beautiful. We've got to free it. It's got to be taken away. You can't spend the rest of its days in a skincare store as a display. Well, call me stupid because I didn't know this. I Googled Kyle's and motorcycles, and apparently they have many, many stores, and every store has some kind of a classic old bike in it. Ay, 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 what is the world coming to? But yeah, here it is. So if you're traveling through DFW and you got some time to blow, wander down to A33 and feast your eyes upon this rare little gem. You're not going to see many like this. I doubt there's but a few left in existence anymore. There was only, according to the sign anyway, 579 of them made, and I'm pretty sure this is the only one in this kind of condition. So take a visit if you're so inclined. I am out of here. Hey, thanks for watching. Bye. Just a quick reminder, you can help support and grow this channel, first of all and most importantly, by hitting that subscribe button. So if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. If you'd like to do a little more, join me on Patreon. Links down below. So go ahead and join me on Patreon if you feel so inclined. And finally, coffee cups, stickers, and gas tank covers are available. This is a new design coffee cup. I like the old ones, but I like these new ones even better. And to go along with the new design coffee cup, there is a new design sticker. Links will be provided in the description down below. Coffee cups and stickers are included with the Patreon membership. And thank you all ever so much for watching these videos. I really appreciate it. Bye.